Watch our flanks. They might try something.
All right.
Hey there.
5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, man. I'm gonna pocket the fuck out of you.
Capture objective A.
Another Genji.
Then they communicate. All right, so they got a Rhyme, Genji, Bastion. Oh my God, Kevin. Sorry, I'm trying to heal Kevin. Oh, Matt, oh, May walled you off.
Enemy turret ahead.
All right, Bastion form. He's covered by the I'm chucking kunai downfield.
Genji did.
I got you. I think we can push up. I think we have advantage right now.
Now go get him.
You got plenty of healing here.
What?
So their guys should all be back. Kevin, I'm dashing to you. That was a huge mistake. That was a huge mistake. I shouldn't have teleported. I think all your healers are dead. I guess you can heal yourself, but it's not super.
Genji up here.
Ryan? I got your healing. Oh, someone walked into it.
What? Oh, I missed that hook.
Nice, Kevin. I'm sad for you that that didn't work.
You're fine.
Okay, payload's moving.
Genji, up top. Payload's coming in, Matt. Don't get caught on it. I've got Kiriko for next fight. Once we get around the corner, I'll Kiriko ult.
Be killed.
Alright, doing it.
Guide you. It takes two.
I tried to get on top of the board. So
Keep it alive. Okay. I'm coming back. As soon as I can. I think I Suzu'd the
yeah, you did. The Lariat.
Yeah, they
But they also had a man in Reinhardt.
Genji up top. Okay, so it's just me on healing right now. That Genji's gonna come in a second. He's still up top. We really need to deal with that Genji. He's just picking us. I'm sorry, I had to hide. The Genji was getting me. Let's push top.
Payload stalled. All
I've also almost got Kiriko. But I think we need to go top because they're just picking us off. Yeah, that Genji that's just hanging out up there, he's getting free value. Oh my. Oh my god. All the deflected bullets killed me.
Justice reigns from above. What's up?
Alright, no anti on the first con.
How are you still alive?
Oh, I got no cleanse.
I think we're
Okay.
outnumbered.
Alright, I guess I'll
No,
swap.
Anna. Anna, no.
My gift to you.
Sigma present.
Genji's coming for me.
Enemy outnumbers us.
Alright, I've got
Let me balance you out.
I've got ult, but our freaking idiot teammates are staggering as fuck. So we kinda gotta alright.
The barrier's weakened.
Are we about ready for me to ult this?
Let the kitsune guide you.
Good.
Just needed a dash of mischief.
The universe is singing to me.
Kevin, come. Yep, you got healing.
Adaptive circuits engaged. Bastion.
Nice, there we go.
Performance achieved.
And that's off something.
You really
Thank you,
need a
got her.
skill-
Systems on optimal levels. Repositioning.
There's a Genji up top, I think.
Barrier unsuccessful. Release. Utilize and sing for
Ow. I'll get him with healing. Okay, you guys stay up there. We got 3 on.
I wonder who's gonna ult.
Should be us. Wow, really? Oh, he haven't got me at last.
Enemy turret detected.
I've almost got ult for the next fight. I should have it, so long as I don't get taken out.
Enemy discovered.
Convene at the payload.
I'm at 83%. So long as I get a little healing, I should be able to make.
Single game.
Feels good, huh?
Alright, 89, 90, 92, 95,
Engaging thrusters.
99,
Let the
ulting.
kitsune guide you.
can't kill this bitch.
Oh! I missed my Suzu on you. We gotta get on overtime.
I've got your back. Adaptive settings engaged. Genji.
I thought ninjas had good reaction time.
No way.
Victory.
Wow.
What?
Good win, guys.
My ult killed their whole team.
Play of the game.
That's Sigma.
Nice.
My default literally clear everything.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's pretty good ult. Alright, that'll be the end for me. Need to go to bed.
Oh,
That was a good win. Dude, we nearly lost that because our stupid freaking teammates kept just feeding again and again and again. They just kept running in.
I just couldn't do anything as Roadhog. I had to switch.
Oh. It worked. It worked. We got there. I was doing nutso on the healing for a while and then stalled out on the second point. But
Kevin, are you angry? Kevin.
Oh, I'm
I
muted.
can't tell if Kevin's... I was gonna say...
Did I? So was I just
I
muted that
haven't
whole
heard
game?
you in a while.
you were muted the whole time.
Huh.
Duplication initiated. This ends now. Propaganda music. Take power. Two down. Recharging. I'm just getting started. And you thought I was rushing. I'm on my game now.
Face me.